Okay, we are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs North, Polokwane City North. Buju, igama lakho, where do you come from?
Igama lami Lawrence ngisuka eProtect Land Soweto.
Nice one. How do you feel about the game today?
Igame yanamhlanje ngifila ukuthi kube nephutanyana ku first lineup ngoba sase expect ukuthi ukhune uzodlala nje uzoqala ku first level.
Honoring him.
Is yona or maybe bamfake at least nge second half.
Yeah.
But yona ukukhipha ngalendo lokuthi bakhiphe uranga. Why bakhiphe uranga instead of bakhiphe usela ngoba usela obaluze amabhola too much and then uranga vele udinga umuntu azomsupply lapha kulokuzana ku striking force ku box vele but yobe ngekho lento iyo nto vele nayo yenza ukuthi igame yethu ibe slow ngoba igame yethu ize ya change ngoba mase kungena abafana abancane ababonana abafana yabo so that's why bona badlalile just like azange sibe ne luck and then umashiyane uthe mase kungena umfundo naye seyavuka babona ukuthi nabo bayabonaka yeah.
No, thank you very much my brother. I-message yakho to Ukhune as the celebrator 25 years namhlanje.
Mina Ukhune iwish yami ku management ngisho ukuthi Ukhune angayindawo Ukhune abamnikeze abamfake lapho ku technical team abe goalkeeper coach wethu siyamjinga iservice yakhe sifumele ukuthi simonare futhi
ngiyabona no asithemba ukuthi management izokuzwa lapha siyabonga kakhulu mfethu.